Guys, in front of me is OPPO K12x, and let me show you how to check total screen time. At first, open the settings, then find and select digital well-being and parental controls. Here you've got some general statistics. Tap on more icon, and here you can send feedback, you can enter beta program, manage your data, check privacy policy, terms of service, and also open source licenses. And that's actually all about this panel. However, if you want to know the statistics a bit more, just mark the middle of the screen, and here you've got everything you need. So you can check either one particular application and go through all days of usage by checking screen time, notifications received, or times opened. You can check it not only daily but also hourly. And let me go back. And also you can check same statistics for all apps over here. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.